In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change website pictures in Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to refresh your design or simply swap out an image you've grown tired of, we'll go through the steps you need to take to update your site with ease. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace homepage and locate the login button. Clicking this will guide you to the sign in page where you'll need to authenticate yourself. Once there, you'll notice the option to continue with Google. This is a quick and convenient choice if your Squarespace account is linked to your Google account. Just click that option and select the Google account associated with your Squarespace account, and you'll be logged in just like that. If everything goes smoothly, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you can see your website listed. Go ahead and click on your website name so that we can make some changes. Now that we're in, it's time to edit. Look for the edit button. It should be easy to spot once you're on your site's interface. Clicking on this button will allow you to customize different sections of your site, including replacing images. This stage is essential because it brings up the built-in editor that you'll be using to make changes to your Squarespace site. Next, you'll want to navigate to Edit section. This button allows you to make changes to the specific parts of your website where images reside. As soon as you click on Edit section, you're free to adjust content blocks, replace images, and experiment with design elements until you find the look you want. Hover over the section containing the image you want to change, and you'll see the option to replace your current image. Once you're ready to swap out the picture, click on Replace. This feature is key because it provides a straightforward way to update your visuals without altering the entire layout. You'll see different image options appear, and if you don't have a specific image on hand, Squarespace gives you an excellent selection. To further assist in your search for the perfect image, click on Browse Stock Images. Squarespace has an extensive library of high quality images that you can use at no additional cost, perfect if you're looking to find a quick replacement or add some freshness to your site. Take your time to browse through and select the image that best fits your website's aesthetic. And there you have it, a simple way to update your website images on Squarespace. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. With these steps, you can easily keep your site looking modern and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.